really want to encourage students to see that tech and trades is a first choice option.
Skills Ontario has been here all week at the Ottawa Technical Secondary School. Now, Skills Ontario promotes career skill trades and technologies to school boards across the province. So students, elementary students, high school students. So by being here today, we're not only supporting the OCDSB and what they're doing with the school, but we're partners, and that's what we are. We are partners, and showing these students that careers, skill trades, and technologies are great careers.
So this trailer provided experiential learning opportunities where kids could actually get in, touch, feel, and be a part of a tech and trade that maybe they would not have seen themselves in.
We built this for you to try a trade, if you will. We have all kinds of virtual stuff in there. Virtual experiences in the skill trade. You can drive a backloader, you can weld, you can auto body paint, you can change a tire, all kinds of stuff that you can do inside this truck related to the skill trades. It lets you try a trade. And if you like it in there, then you go try it for real and maybe make it a career.
Yeah, I'm hoping our kids can leave with a new perspective on what careers are available for them after they leave the OCDSB. Really is about exposure to tech and trades and possibilities.